under the apicomplexans, we have two. The first one is the sporozoans. And sa sporozoans, ang pinakasikat dito is yung Plasmodium species. So, such yung life cycle ni Plasmodium species na lang yung di-discuss natin, no? Ito, medyo mahaba siya, pero ito yung pinakamaganda. Pinakamagandang life cycle sa buong parasitology. Okay? So, the first one, meron kang mosquito. No, yan. Yan, ang ganda. Yung mosquito mo injects your tinatawag na sporozoites. Okay. Pag kukuha siya ng blood meal, maaari siyang mag-inject ng sporozoites. Okay? So, ito yung human mo. Yan. Kinagat ulit sa kamay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I-inject niya, pumasok yung sporozoites. Yung sporozoites, pupunta yan ng liver. Okay? Liver. Ito yung liver. Okay, maganda yung liver. Yan. Yan, ganda liver ko. Yan. Sa liver, inside your liver cell, papasok yung sporozoites. Okay? And then, the sporozoites will infect your liver cell. And ang magiging itsura nun? Ang magiging itsura nun is yung tinatawag na schizont. Okay? Schizont. And then, pag medyo marami na yan, marami-rami na yung sporozoite sa loob, mag-rupture yung inyong liver cell, releasing yung mga sporozoite, no? So, ang tawag na natin sa schizont na to, schizont yung liver's infected liver cell, no? Yun yung tawag nun, schizont. Pag nag-rupture na yan, ang tawag dyan is ruptured schizont, syempre. Ngayon, pag na-rupture na yan, it will go through your bloodstream. So, ito yung tinatawag na, itong tatlong to, yung tinatawag nating human liver stage. Okay? And then, the next stage, the ruptured schizont will go through your bloodstream. It will now enter your, what we call the human blood stage. Okay? In the human blood stage, makakakita siya ng RBC, syempre. Makakita siya ng RBC. Yan yung target niya, RBC. Okay? So, it will look for an RBC, infect yung RBC mo, and then, ito na yung tinatawag nating immature trophozoite. Or otherwise known as your ring stage. Kapag naging siyang immature trophozoite, it has two pathways. The first one is it could go mature on your RBC. Pwede siya mag-mature dyan. Yan, magmamas-mature na siya. And then, the RBC will turn into schizont once again, an infected cell full of sporozoites. No? And then, the schizont, so this is schizont. The schizont will then be ruptured once again. So, ruptured schizont, and they'll infect another RBC. This is the reason why the malaria, which is the pathogenesis of your Plasmodium species, could cause such RBC lysis. No? Yan yung dahilan bakit nagagawa nilang mag-rupture ng maraming RBC because of this pathway. Another pathway that the human blood stage could perform or conduct is balik tayo dito, meron kang immature trophozoite, and then ang gagawin niya ngayon is instead of a mature trophozoite, it would lead to the formation or the stage na tinatawag nating gametocytes. So, yung kanina, yun yung asexual, no? Hindi kalimutan kong sulat. So, kanina, yung immature, mature trophozoite, schizont, ruptured schizont, tapos another RBC, that is the asexual stage. Yung sexual stage is yung immature trophozoite will go into another stage which is the gametocytes, and then your gametocytes would then be your micro and macro gametocytes, no? Na micro, pag maliit, that is your male. Then pag malaki, macro, yung female. So, nasa bloodstream yan, and then yan yung makakain ng inyong mosquito. Yan, mosquito yan. Okay. Okay. So, the infective stage for your definitive host, this is your definitive host, no, yung mosquito, is your gametocytes. The infective stage for intermediate host, ang intermediate host ng Plasmodium is humans, is your sporozoites. Okay? Next. So, this is your human stage. Ngayon, the Plasmodium species has the mosquito stage din. So, hindi lang siya basta-basta human stage. So, hindi pa natatapos dyan yung life cycle. Meron din tayong tinatawag na mosquito stage. So, sa mosquito stage, ano kasi yung ating infective stage sa kanyang definitive host? The infective stage is your gametocytes. So, pag kinain na ng mosquito, ito yung mosquito natin. Yan, ang ganda na drawing ko talaga. Yan. Kinain niya yung gametocytes. Ano mangyayari sa gametocytes? It would turn into your macro and micro gametocytes. Mas mai-speciate sila, no? Yan. Mature macro and micro gametocytes. And then from there, papasok si microgametocyte doon sa loob ni macrogametocyte, and then in turn, magiging silang ookainit. Okay? And then from there, magmamature yung ookainit, magiging siyang oocytes. Oocyte, ano mangyayari sa oocyte? Magra-rupture yan, ruptured oocytes. And then, magre-release yung mga sporozoites. Once again, pupunta yung sporozoites doon sa proboscis area ng ating mosquito, and then the life cycle will repeat itself. So, this is your mosquito stages. Okay. Next. So, in the apicomplexa, we have the sporozoans. They are obligate intracellular parasites, meaning obligado, no? They require your definitive host and your intermediate host for them to develop to their next cycle or their next stages. No? Kaya sila tinawag obligate intracellular because they require the host's cells. No, yun yung pinakakailangan nila. Kaya nga sila tinawag na sporozoans or apicomplexa because they don't have any locomotory organelle. So they are obligated to require the host's cells for them to transform or to be converted to their next stages. There is no apparent means of locomotion. Yan, sinabi ko na kanina. The life cycle can be asexual or the reproduction in man, that is what we call this schizogony. Yan yung nakikita nyo kanina, no? Yung discuss ko. Schizont, ruptured schizont, another RBC, immature trophozoite, mature trophozoite, tapos the cycle repeats itself. That is your asexual reproduction. And man is considered as the intermediate host for your sporozoans. The sexual reproduction, in the other hand, happens in the arthropod vector. And the arthropod vector is your definitive host. And yung tinatawag na reproduction doon is what we call the sporogony. So from gametocyte, mature macrogametocyte and micro, papasok si micro kay macro, magiging ookinete, oocyte, mararupture si oocyte, malalabas yung mga sporozoites. Ganun lang kasimple, no? Hindi naman ganun kahirap yung life cycle.